Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? It is time for me to share the newest stamp set with you, which I'm really excited about because this one I just kept going and going and going when I was designing it, because I kept thinking, oh, but I wanted to do this, and oh, I want this, and oh, and let me just tell you, I had so much fun with this one. Are you ready? I'm excited. Get set. Here it is. It is called Basket to Stamp, and it is this gorgeous basket at the bottom. Now, I've optioned to put flowers in this basket. However, that's separate. So if you want to put anything else in this basket, you absolutely can. Now, there's lots of fun words. Bunches of love to you, live life in full bloom, spring is in the air, bloomin' with joy, lots of extra pieces to put in there so you can stamp. Flowers also separate so you can add them anywhere you like. Now, of course, there's add-on sets, so you must go see that video as well because it takes this to the next level, let me just tell you. But Stamp Club members, you're getting this sent to you automatically in the mail. Now, if you're in the Die Hard Club, because that is our most popular club, because who wants to try to cut these out themselves? Ooh, not me, let me tell you. Here are the dies that match. Now, the dies that match are really fun because, of course, you're getting the shadow dies. You're also getting the inside dies. Now, to make the shadows a little bit smaller on the littler pieces, you have just the solid dies to make sure it's a nice, good shadow. Look at this big shadow you have up here for all of the fun dies down here. Look at all of these fun little pieces that I added in there. Now, if you're in our Die Hard Club, you're getting the stamps from the Stamp Club and the dies that match. We also include in the club shipments a handy dandy little envelope that shows you the other items that coordinate with this stamp and die set and some inspiration. Now, of course, we have inspiration on our website as well, so you can always look there because there's lots more on our website. Let me share some of my awesome samples from our design team. Look at this fun one. Happy birthday. Look at that gorgeous basket colored. Open it up. Look at that. Your friendship has been the greatest gift of all, it says, to you. Happy birthday to you. Isn't that fun? That's our side pop-out card. Here's a fun one, and this is actually a sneak peek to our next video. Look at that gorgeous basket weave background. Isn't that beautiful? You can see through it. Oh, it's just such stunning. Fill today with joy. And look at all those fun. Oh, and I see another sneak peek. Oh, added our little bumblebees in there. Here's a cute one with our little gnome, bloomin' with joy. We have our cute little basket back there with some extra little pieces, little mushrooms in there. So cute, so fun. Now look at this, totally different look. I love to show you side by side the different looks because look at this. You would never know that that is from the same stamp set, would you? But it is. Isn't that fun? Look at those cute little ladybugs on that one. So cute. Here's another cute one. Oh my goodness. Look at that little greenery all the way around. Die Hard members, you are getting that die. Isn't that cute? Oh, here's another basket weave background in there. Colored so pretty. Open that up. Live simply, bloom wildly, dream big. Isn't that beautiful? Grow positive thoughts. Okay, let's move on. Here's one. Oh, look, this is on our elegant die, card die. So grateful to be able to grow with you. Isn't that beautiful? Live life in full bloom. You could even go orange. Look at this. Now, here is our background with just little tiny pieces of it being used. Let's celebrate. Look how beautiful that is with that fun flowers on there. Ooh, here's one. I always like to point out when there's a doily. There's a doily in the background of this one. I always like to point that out. That's so fun. Open that up. Spring is in the air. Look at our cute little bunny Pudgy. Isn't that fun? Oh, another doily. Doily alert, doily alert. Same doily this time. Look at that. Look at that. Just using the same products but different colors. I always like to point that out because the possibilities on our club sets are so enormous because you just change the colors and you get two completely different looks. Here's another fun one. Oh, look how beautiful that is with the purple. I love that basket weave background. Open it up. Sending warm wishes for a very happy birthday. And then last but certainly not least, we have our chocolate bunny die inside our basket. And look how cute this is with just a half part of the card. Gorgeous lattice in the background. Easter is a time to come together and celebrate new beginnings. Isn't that beautiful with our dotted oval in the background? So pretty. I love that one. Linda made that one. That's beautiful. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. You can sit back, relax, go check out the other video on all the other fun add-ons that we have for this set. If you're not in the club, you must run to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video. The video is going to explain everything about our club, how awesome it is, all the wonderful perks, the club points, the anniversary gift certificates, the discount on our website. Club members get a 15 to 20% discount off of everything, no exclusions. Everything on our website. That includes machines, that includes adhesive, that includes acrylic blocks, stamps, dies, markers, Tiffany products, totally Tiffany items, everything on our website, online classes, everything on our website is on sale for you every single day as a club member, 15 to 20% off. Also, on brand new items, on the first 24 hours, a lot of times, I like to make it on flash sale, meaning it's an extra discount. So you're getting the discount on the flash sale and club members are getting an extra 15, 20% off. It's like double discounts. And then they're also getting club points. It's amazing. You've got to go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club. Just watch the video. I assure you that'll tell you a lot. You'll love it. If I went too fast on any of these, rest assured it's all uploaded on our online gallery on our website. Click on this product, click on view the online gallery, and all of the ideas I just showed you will be at your disposal. You can see them, you can print them out, you can like them, you can share them, everything. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.